Today, we're tapping on something that goes beyond clearing blocks. We're stepping all the way into a new identity, the identity of someone who is naturally, effortlessly, completely aligned with wealth and abundance, not someone who is trying to get there, not someone who is hoping it works out, someone who knows at a deep, settled cellular level that abundance is their natural state, abundance is their birthright, that money flows to them, that they are guided even when they can't see every step, that their financial reality is improving right now, whether they can see the evidence or not. This session is about embodying that truth so completely that your whole energy starts to reflect it. But because here's the thing, when you struggled financially in the past, you didn't know what you know now. And if you had known then what you know now, lack couldn't have taken hold the way it did. So today we're not just thinking new thoughts, we're feeling a new identity all the way into the body, all the way into the soul. So close your eyes and take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, imagine the most abundant version of you, not a fantasy version, the real you, fully aligned with wealth, the you that knows money flows naturally, the you that feels guided even without knowing every step, the you that wakes up every morning with a quiet, settled sense that everything is working out financially. Feel what that person feels like in their body, how they carry themselves, how they think, how they respond to opportunities. Let yourself inhabit that version of you right now, not as a goal, but as a present reality you're choosing to step into. And notice anything that resists that. That's what we're clearing. Now take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. So we're going to do EFT tapping now, which is emotional freedom techniques, otherwise known as tapping. So we're going to tap on these specific points and we're going to say these words. So tapping has been proven to help reduce stress and anxiety and clear subconscious blocks. It's based on Eastern medicine like acupuncture. So here are the tapping points, and this is how you do it. So we're going to always start on the side of the hand, and then we move to the inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye on the bone, under the eye, under the nose, the chin point, the collarbone point, under the armpits, about 4 inches, and then the top of the head. And then that finishes one cycle, and then we start again at the inside of the eyebrow. Now you can tap on either side of the body, okay? Because there's meridians on both sides of the body, symmetrical, okay? And you can use one hand or two hands. You can use 2 fingers, as many fingers as you want. There's no hard and fast rules to tapping. You just got to tap, okay? And yeah, so just gently tap. You can tap. I like to use 2 hands just because I think it's more effective for me, okay? So that's basically tapping. So you're just going to tap where I tap and say what I say. So side of the hand and taking full responsibility for your well-being. Let's tap. Even though part of me still identifies more with lack than with abundance, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I haven't always felt naturally wealthy, and part of me still questions whether I ever will, I choose to love and honor myself and step into a new identity today. Even though abundance hasn't always felt natural or safe to me, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm ready to allow that to change right now. It is natural for me to be wealthy, and part of me is still getting used to that idea. When I struggled financially, I didn't know what I know now. If I had known then what I know now, lack couldn't have taken hold the way it did. But I know more now, and I'm choosing differently now. I don't need to understand every step. I don't need to explain how abundance flows to me. I have only to gently allow it. My financial reality is improving right now. Even if I can't see all the evidence yet, it's natural for me to become more financially abundant. There's no hurry. My wealth is unfolding perfectly. My mind knows what to do. Abundance is natural to me. I am being guided toward financial expansion. Even when I can't see exactly how. Opportunities for wealth are always flowing to me. I am in very good hands financially. I am relaxing now and allowing money to come to me. My only work is to feel good and stay open. I can do that. I can do that easily. I am my abundant self now, rich in energy, rich in ideas, rich in opportunities, and becoming more financially free every single day. I feel what it's like to have more than enough. Money flows to me because I am aligned with it. I trust that wealth is already on its way. Right now, even as I sit here and tap. Things are moving in my favor financially. I relax into the feeling of being wealthy. It feels natural. I am safe to have money. I am ready to receive more. I'm allowing abundance to expand in my life in ways I expect and in ways that completely surprise me. I am open. I am aligned. I am a match for everything I desire. Wealth is natural to me. Abundance is my birthright. Money flows to me easily, and I receive it gracefully. I am financially free. I am guided in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Now close your eyes and take a breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to that abundant version of you. Notice if they feel any closer than they did before, any more real, any more like the actual truth of who you are rather than a distant aspiration. Because here's what I want you to feel in this moment. You don't have to become that person. You already are that person. You're just clearing away everything that convinced you otherwise. Let that land. Let it settle into your body like something you've always known but forgot for a while. Your wealth is natural. Your abundance is unfolding. You are in very good hands, and you always were. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. The most powerful shift you can make isn't in your strategy or your schedule. It's in your identity. Because when you genuinely feel like a wealthy person, when abundance starts to feel like your natural state rather than something you're chasing, everything else falls into alignment. The right ideas come, the right opportunities appear, the right actions feel obvious. Keep coming back to this session. Play it in the morning, play it before you go to sleep. Let this new identity become so familiar that the old one starts to feel like the stranger because it was never the truth of who you are. This is. Make sure to drink a glass of water after you tap, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.